Good morning, respected principal sir, dear teachers, and my lovely friends. I am Chaitanya of grade 8. I am here today to speak a few words on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was also known as father of the nation and people lovingly call him Bapu or father. Gandhiji's wife name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had four sons. Gandhiji studied law from the universities of London. He returned to India and he started his career as a lawyer. He went to South Africa for practice and there began his social life, where he faced many problems and many times he was insulted, tortured, and imprisoned by the white men, because he was black in color. This incident had a great life on Gandhiji's life. Guys, do you know why Gandhiji was called father of the nation? So when he came back to India, he started many movements such as Dandi March, which is also known as Salt Satyagraha, civil disobedient movements, non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, and many more, and became very popular as the father of the nation. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, used to wear a simple clothes but not a shirt, because Gandhiji, being such a great leader, used to wear simple clothes and they were also called as Kaldi cloths. In this connection, I would like to share a small incident with all of during those days. Children love visiting Gandhiji. A little boy one day visited him and was gratefully distressed to see the way Gandhiji was dressed, and he was thinking or wondering that such a great man, yet he doesn't even wear a shirt. The little boy finally asked, "Why don't you wear a kurta, Babu?" Gandhiji then replied, "Where is the money, son? I am very poor. I can't afford a kurta." The little boy felt very bad for Gandhiji. He became sad and he asked that, "My mother sews well. I will ask her to sew a kurta for you." Gandhiji said that, "Can your mother make many kurtas? Because I have a very large family and it wouldn't be right for me, the only one, to have a kurta or to wear the one." Then the boy said, "Just tell me how much do you need. I will ask my mother to make as many you want. Just tell me, one, two, three. How many do you need, Gandhiji?" Gandhiji thought for a moment and then said, "I have a family of 40 crores brothers and sisters. It wouldn't be right for me to be the only one to wear the kurtas. Can your mother make these many kurtas for all of them?" The boy became very thoughtful at this question. 40 crores brothers and sisters? Yes, Gandhiji was right. After all, the whole nation was his family. He inspired all of us with civil rights and the freedom movements all over the world, and everything has its end. This day was filled with great sadness and sorrow. But let us not regret that. But let us not regret that today Gandhiji is not with us. His teachings, his efforts still has an impact on today's modern era also. Inspired all of us. His life is an inspiration for all. Gandhiji was a great personality. Truth and ahimsa were guidance principles of his life. Mahatma Gandhiji was assassinated by Narotham Godse on 30th January 1948. I know that my words are not enough to speak about Gandhiji's values and deeds. But we, as a future of our country, can contribute ourselves by living our lives with the techniques of Gandhiji for all the growth and freedom of our country, and let us make it a successful nation in the future. I salute to such a great leader, played an important role in giving our country independence. There are many life events in Mahatma Gandhiji's life till his death. Now I would like to end my speech with a thought of Gandhiji. To end this day, a thoughtful day. The thought is, life as if you were to die. Learn as if you were to live forever. I repeat, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Meaning of this thought is, happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. We may never be strong enough to be the entire non-violent in thoughts, words, or deed. Now I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.